Hello, what's up guys? This is D Car Tracker here. Today I am making this video to show you that I have a very special issue with my needle, my gauge needle on both sides, the RPM as well as the mile per hour needle. So pretty much the way it works is like I don't know what happened. I'm trying to remember exactly what happened, what caused it to do that. But before that, everything was working fine. My clock was working great, but now it just stuck at the same time frame. So right now it's about 13:03, but the clock is reading something else. So to get started, let me show you what my needle currently doing, so that way you guys can assist me in trying to figure it out. Because I called Maserati, they told me it probably is a battery issue, but I did get some notification on the TFT screen saying that I have a low voltage in my battery. So I don't know why, so I have to probably just figure that out. So this is it. So I'm pushing the start button here. Okay, then now I'm gonna push it again to go on run. Then you'll see the problem that I'm having with the gauge cluster needles. You see that? I don't even know why it does that. So but after that, everything goes back to normal. It doesn't do anything. Obviously my backup light is out, so I gotta get that fixed and repaired. My battery light is on for some reason, so routine maintenance, so that has been done. They just need to reset it. So there's no issue with my battery or anything. Maybe there is, that's probably why it's on. But all these things should have come off anyway. So let me go ahead and put my foot on the brake and start. So foot on the brake, starting, car start. See, battery voltage low. So how do I get a low battery voltage when I recently replaced my battery? So based on what I was telling you guys earlier, that Maserati told me the reason why my needle tick back and forth when I put the car on run is because I have a battery issue. So that's one thing that they would be checking for me. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get a new battery and replace it to see if that stops it. If it doesn't, then we know it's a different other kind of issue. Then obviously we're gonna get Maserati to reset all these buttons and bells and whistles in the car to make sure everything is running smooth. So this is one of my next thing. We'll see how that goes. So if any of you ever had this issue with your Maserati, please go ahead and post a comment and let me know what happened and how can I get this fixed. If it is a battery issue, then that's okay, then I can get a new battery. But the other problem is that my watch, my analog clock is not working. So I may need you guys help figuring out if there's a fuse for the clock here and how can I get it to work again, because for some reason whenever this thing starts, the analog clock stopped working. So I need some help trying to figure it out to make sure everything works as they should. So then again guys, this is your boy D Car Tracker here. So if you do have any questions, you can post them down there, and if you do know what's going on with my car, post it down below as well. I'll be happy to hear any comments that you guys have for me. Thank you again. If you are new to my channel, just hit the subscribe button and the bell as well. And if you're still new to the channel, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button just for the hell of it and give me a thumbs up. Peace.